Sanibonani ke Bongiwe Ndlovukazi ngiza nedrip wena uzanani nendlebe. Siku crash chela. Sibusy dripping in design. Okay, nasi story. Umngane uthi yangena lana uthi Bongiwe ngicela ungixoxele istory esingehlakalela izolo. Hayi wena. Ungena ku Facebook. Into engithandayo kabangani bami ke sebe all over ba ku Facebook, ba ku YouTube, ba ku TikTok nigcwele nje ngisho ipage lami ningifollowa yonke indawo. Nasi istory. Uthi umngane wethu ke Bongiwe also we had this family friend umakhelwane wangasekhaya nje umuntu othanda izinto ezinhle. So much is constantly renovating ekhaya kuhlale kwenziwa nje izinto ekhaya. So ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uma uya renovate ushintsha ama tiles ufaka ama tiles amasha makasala ama tiles ekhaya, then she decides ukuthi awaphe umakhelwane because ugogo wamakhelwane wawacela ukuthi and then ucela lawo ama tiles lawo. Okay, fine. Ekhaya kukhona mina nosisi wami. Usisi wami is friends with the guy yakamakhelwane, with the guy wakamakhelwane. Ayike uthi baba banganike usisi wami nalo sorry guy. So uthi usisi wakhe is friends with ingane yakamakhelwane yakalo gogo lo. Uthi ke hayi ke kulungileke aqhubeke bahambisa ama tiles and they just got along. Lo gogo lo really loved umngane wethu ke uguy. Okay, really loved umngane wethu and umngane wethu ke so from time to time bekaya khona yovakasha and all of that. Uthi kodwa into ayaziyo nje ukuthi ugogo lo wakamakhelwane uyaziwa kwi neighborhood ukuthi and then we sorcerers uyaziwa nje ukuthi cha bandla uhamba ngomshanele ebusuku bayamazi ukuthi uyi pharmacist inja pharmacist ukuthi uyawuphethula umuthi ukhanda ngempilo yakhe yonke ugogo. Okay, fine. And then, but I've never seen anything suspicious, but we always had those rumors ukuthi ugogo cha we pharmacist. Okay, fine. Bese kuba khona umfana wakhona ugogo uhlala nomunye umfana wakhona. Bese umfana wakhona mangiya khona ngiyovakasha nosisi wami uyovakasha ngeze ngicine ngiba close nomfana wakhona. Sibe close nomfana wakhona, we are just friends. Then kuqiqi one day umfana wakhona angitshela ukuthi no uyangithanda ufuna sibe ne relationship encane. But no man ngitshela ukuthi ugabe uyabukeka and I'm like ngimqome or ngingamqomi athi umngane wethu bavakashelane gwiqiqi umngane wethu useyalala noguy. Bavele benza into zakhona. Okay, balale no guy kudlule isikhathi. Okay, fine. Baphinde futhi ngelilanga usho ukuthi sengathi manje ikhona into ekhona phakathi kwabo, and then aphinde uguy amtshele ukuthi akazozovakasha kagogo. Makafika uguy kubo kagogo because he hasn't been kwagogo in a long time. Uyafika kagogo kunonodoli inqwaba yonodoli. Yabo labo nodoli labo bangathi abangathi banamehlo nje, labo nodoli nje abebelungu nje. Uthi kunonodoli lana like nje umuntu wakhona ngathi uyathanda nje izinto ezi antique nje but nje kodwa nje kunenqwaba yonodoli. Uthi but abheke but uthi nje eish ngingabi nayo inkinga bese then siyahamba sekamereni siyahamba siyolala. Uthi umngane wethu makahamba ayolala ekamereni benze izinto zakhona uguy ke ambenzane ke benzana into zakhona ke uthi nje uthi hey bekuwo ngaphansi ongaphezulu uthi yamnandi into. Uthi abese uguy mabaqeda bese beyazumeka belale. Uthi 2:00 ezengokusa kufika into emvusa fast umngane wethu uthi vuka. Uthi umngane wethu okay ke umngane wethu just to give you a story bahlala eLimpopo, just to give you background ukuthi umuntu onjani. Bahlala eLimpopo, uma wakhe umZulu, ubaba wakhe uyilokhuzana umtsonga, nje bayasikhuluma kancane isiZulu because ibackground kama wakhe, but mostly bakhuluma iSpedi, bakhuluma isitsonga nje isinari njalo. So ugogo lo waseLimpopo nenzani lapha eLimpopo. Nenzani eLimpopo. Okay, abese ke esho ukuthi okay ke I think he was giving me background so that I understand ukuthi why mostly esebenzisa isingisi when he was talking to me. So abese amtshela ukuthi then we do the deeds, then kuse ngo 2:00 kube khona into engivusayo nje ethi vuka guy. Uthi ngivuke mangiphaphama Bongiwe ngiphaphama ugogo ume kwi-headboard usibheke kanjena sinomfana. Uthi ngithuke. Uthi ngithuke ngome kheqe. Uthi ngivuke ekseni akubangisalaleka. Kube ngathi no, before avuka uthi uGayi, it kind of felt like yabona engathi when you're having a sleep paralysis, engathi you are awake but you're not awake, but engathi your subconscious mind is awake but engathi ulele. Uthi it felt like that. It felt like ngathi nje ngathi akekho but ukhona. Uthi wavuka ekseni wahamba wavalelisa umfana. Uthi hayiduma yatsamaya. Hayiduma yatsamaya bongiwe. Uthi ngamziba umfana. Uthi ngumuntu vele osebenzelayo ke ngisebenzela kahle. Ngamziba umfana sekhaya. Uthi ba right. Ngamziba umfana umfana kwiqeqi uyaphinda uyangibhalela futhi. Uthi kwayena umfana njengoba ngemzibile naye it's not like uyangibhalela ama message uyangibuza ukuthi ngikuphi cha. Kusho ukuthi naye he was still trying to recharge and then azama indlela ukuthi uzongichazela ukuthi ugogo wakhe wefunani kwi-headboard esilunguzile ngaphansi kwe-headboard like this. Uthe umngane wethu makaqala isixoxa le story wathi bongiwe ngithandana nomloyi. Mina ke ngoba ngumngane wenu I was so curious to find out ukuthi uthandana kanjani. Uthi bengilele nomthakathi. Okay, ngiqhubeke ne story guys, bear with me. So uthi enene ke bese uGayi amfonele futhi athi ababonani. Uthi because they had an unfinished business and now he felt like sine unfinished business nalo Gayi athi enene we need to see each other but ngiyacela ukuthi mawuze ekhaya ufike uzofika ugogo eselele ufike like ngabo 10. Uthi so that ugogo angakuboni bese ngiyabona ukuthi uGayi uyazi ukuthi ugogo wakhe uyi fly by night but bese ngiyathula nami because phela kusanama unresolved feelings asakhona la kumina nami ngitshela ukuthi hayi cha ngizoba undertaker ngurisk taker ngizoshona khona ngiyoba igxinxinxi khona lapho kwamfana kuba ukuthakatha khona. Uthi afika umfana makafika umfana ufica kumnyama athi uGayi ungalayithi ifone asiwokheni siyongena ekamereni lami because ugogo uselele asifuna ukubona ukuthi uyabona ukuthi uyeza uyangena la ekhaya. Uthi nangampela uGayi angayilayithi phone because wefuna ukubona. Uthi for all you know bongo we could be walking on top of the snakes but you wouldn't know because uGayi uthe enene angingalayithi ifone. Uthi wathi uzongikhombisa indlela ngilandele yena. Uthi ngaso sikhathi ngishawa ovalo like kunje it's dodgy but yay ama feelings angibekile phansi nami umfana ngimfuna la. Okay, bahambe bayempetini ekamereni bahlale baxoxeke uthi they talking softly. Uthi akusitshanga i-light on nje all together. Uthi bakhulume ukuthi besuka lapho babe bekhwela bangene intweni zakhona uthi balala ongaphansi ongaphezulu bazama ungaba ngumsindo ugogo khona ngapha kubhizi nje ukuthi hectic sizama ukufihla because I'm realizing ukuthi why mina I'm in danger but ke because umjolo ungiphose kamthakathi ngizothini angiqhubeke aqhubeke umnethe hayi nani kodwa nama risk takers hayi bangani bami. Who am I to judge? I'm here to tell the story. Uthi ke bese ethi enene benze bese beyaqeda. Uthi mabaqeda lapho bese uGayi athi balale kancane but not ukuthi ulele like saku ukuhlala because wow akazi ukuthi what's going on. Bathe enene maybe after an hour or two uzobe seyahamba mhlawumbe ngabo 12 uzobe seyaphuma eseyagoduka ekhaya or mhlawumbe ngo1 because ugogo uyashesha ukuvuka. Uthi nangampela kushaya u12 futhi uGayi ngifeel ukuthi no man I'm uneasy bese ngiyasho ukuthi no it's fine I think I should go home. uGayi abese eyaphuma uphuma ekamereni uya epassage to go outside. Uyeza part 2. Ake uthi umfana ke ngithi Peterwork. Khumbula sisibonge ukuthi kuthiwa ngawukhanyisa ugesi. Kuthiwe lana ngizongena ngevosho ngiphume ngevosho. uthi ngingawukhanyisa ugesi, uthi mangingawukhanyisa ugesi sizame ukuthi phithiwa ngiphume ekamereni, umfana is leading the way. Uthi ngirealize ukuthi man no, I can't see. Uthi angiboni, ngiyabona ukuthi ngizoshayisa izinto, ngiqhuzwe ithi guludlu, vele ngikhipha ifoni yami ngikhanyise. Uthi labona odoli bagogo bahlala edining room. Uthi on our way ukudlula edining room mangikhanyisa ngiyababona onodoli bathe bayaphila, they are alive. Uthi bayaphila bongiwe. Uthi la ngishaya uvalo ngacishe ngafa. Uthi umfana wathi wangithithisa wathi ukhanyiseleni ngikutshelile nje ngathi ungakhanyisi. Uthi wathi ngithi I'm seeing abone uthi sikhuluma manje ngiyamemeza because ugogo useyezwa ukuthi enene kukhona umuntu okhona lana. Uthi onodoli they are having time of their lives, they are moving and they were looking at me like this. Uthi as ngiphuma umfana first and foremost uthi umtshele ukuthi makaphuma ekamereni angabheke emuva. What do you mean angabheke emuva? Uthi aphume abheke phambili straight ayophuma ngesango angabheke emuva. Uthi but because the curiosity killed the cat. Uthi also ukulayitha kwami it wasn't because ngaqhuzuka. Uthi ngalayitha because I wanted to see ukuthi and like why kuzomela sibe sebumnyameni. Uthi onodoli bayaphila. They literally bayaphila onodoli. Uthi umngani wethu thuke ashawo uvalo. Uthi they are moving and they are real, like ngathi abantu. Uthi labona odoli laba basabekayo man guys, niyabazi laba basema antique shop, that's why kumele ningabathenga onodoli. Uthi yena aphume makaphume ezuthi umzimba wakho uyamshiya. You know when you feel like you leaving your soul behind and you just going without your soul. Uthi ngafile ngathi ngiyashiyeka igazi and I'm walking away, ngiyahamba ngekhaya. Uthi mangifike ekhaya ngizwe ukuthi man umzimba wami awukho right and I know uma angakaze ngikhulume naye ngalezi zinto but today actually ngizokhuluma noma. Uthi but before ngikhulume noma umfana ungitshelile vele ukuthi ngingakhulumi noma. Ngihambe ngikoduke ngekhaya ngifike ekhaya ngibona ukuthi no, I'm not going to be able to sleep and I woke my mother up. My mother is a prayer warrior. Uthi hayi uyathandaza manje. She's known for that. Uthi I woke her up and ngamtshela story. Ngamtshela nje iqiniso uthi no, uma didn't judge me and she just went down on her knee and started praying for me. Uthi wangikhulekela bongiwe wangikhulekela ukuthi uthi nami ngathandaza because I felt like there was something inside me that I left there kulwamuzi. Uthi I felt like ngathi kuyathwalwa ngami or I'm being used or whatever. Uthi but I felt like I left something in me. Uthi ingqondo yami ngathi ayikho right, ngathi like I've lost a part of me, like I was hallucinating. Uthi bengasekho normal. Uthi ukutshela uma kwakwindlela it was a way of crying out loud so that uma izokwazi ukungikhulekela so that I can be rescued and feel better because uthi I felt lost. Uthi nangampela uma wakhe amthandazela uma wakhe athandaze uthi alale. Umngani wethu uthi nangakusasa ngavuka ngakhuleka uthi let me tell you something which was today. Ubeleli izolo lokho kwenzekile uzavusa uma wakhe kwenzeke yesterday. Ngizokhombisa ilokhuzana I message yakhe encane nje kwenzeke izolo. Uthi now he's feeling better. Leanto that cloud engathi bikhona engqondweni yakhe engathi he's losing himself and he's not okay. Uthi just went after uma wakhe khulekile. Uthi ukhulekile ngempela uma wakhe kanzima. Uthi nami I prayed so much. Also just want you to let you know ukuthi limize nonodolo ungaboyithemba. Right? Kodwa ngiyabona yini? Ngiyabona ilogo la isintu. Angigqokanga ngesiketi sakhona because isiketi sakhona is gorgeous and stunning. So silapha yana ngifake esinye ngangisithenge elokhuzeni. Kusinto. Ngicela nini lokhuze. If you want umbhaco and everything ngicela reach out kwisinto and please usebenzise igama lami usho uthi enobongiwe Ndlovukazi obatshelile ngesinto. You can find them on YouTube. No. You can find them on Instagram, you can find them on Facebook, you can find them on TikTok, okay? Isintu ke lezo. But umngani wethu uthi ufuna uxwayisa abantu ukuthi nazi ukuthi enene laba abantu bakhona abantu abasebenzisa unodoli and abodoli they come to life ebusuku bayaphila like nje yena ngokwakhe people would avoid having dolls nje because unodoli akuyona into that comes with good energy, it comes with negative forces. Niyangizwa yini? Vele ke nje labo nodoli laba bangathi banamehla ababhekayo like vele nje angazi ukuthi unodoli but also we know that Brazil banonodoli. Ngiyazi ukuthi Brazil they use dolls, voodoo, they call them voodoo dolls. So bayabathatha labo doli laba if enena umuntu abhala igama lakho alifake kunodoli bese yalichopoza nalaba thakathi ba South Africa bakhona sibaziyo siyazi ukuthi bayakwenza lokho. So yesibone where people are posting on social media unodoli uqhavaziwe, but mostly that is known in Brazil. Brazil ke bayisebenzisa kama voodoo dolls very much so. Bengazi ukuthi enene nase South Africa nimandla kakhulu ngama voodoo dolls. You know, I thought that into zabelungu, but I guess abathakathi bayafana all over. Nase South Africa nabayilungu nawo yonke indawo. Umthakathi nje umthakathi Nkosi yami. You know. So bengisho ukuthi niphathi kahle bangani bami ngicela ningahambe nilala because uzothola usekuthwelwe ngawo because mina mangixola umngane nami feel nganje bebethwala ngaye. And ugogo was in on it and she knew ukuthi enene bayamsebenzisa umfana lo omngani wakhe i-recruiter kagogo. Angisho ukuthi ngitheni sanibonani ke ubongwele Ndlovukazi ngiza nendaba ona uzanani nendlebe ngiyacela ukuthi ke please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Follow me ubongwe Ndlovukazi kuphi ku Facebook, YouTube ubongwe Ndlovukazi futhi ku TikTok niyangazi ke Ndlovukazi umlomo ungathethi imanga kuseyimina ngiziletha zishisa khona esinye singenile sidi story anganothi uzosifundela ubani. Ngiyacela abangani bamani ngithumelele istory, ngiyacela ukuthi nithumele ngama voice note manje because uTikTok uyakwazi ukuthi uthumelise ngama voice note and also uFacebook mawuhluleka ukungithumela ku TikTok ya ku Facebook can send a long note, a voice note. So hambe ku Facebook ku page la Bongiwe Ndlovukazi uthi hello Bongiwe ngestory ngizokuthumelela sona bese ngithi mina okay thumela babe and I will send you my voice so that you uzoza ukuthi ukhuluma nami. You know, ngizokuphendula nge voice note ngithumela Sithando bese nawo uhlala udabeni ungena udabeni, you know. And ngicela nawo ngifuna ama love story, ngicela izitori zabantu abaphumelelile emjolweni kodwa bekunzima kodwa bagcina bephumelelile. Ngicela abantu abaphumelelile emsebenzini but bekunzima waphumelela. Ngicela nje abantu abaphumelelile life. Sengifuna nje ukuthi manje abantu bethu bajabule bajabuliswe izitori ezijabulisayo. Nami sengishilo izitori ethusayo seziningi kakhulu ngeke bangani ngicela nizame ni. Nizamani bangani bami nesibethele izitori ezi-upliftayo esaziyo ukuthi hey kwavula kuvaliwe ngempela. Sifuna ukubona ugoa through i-roller coaster bese siyabona kuvulwa kade kuvaliwe. Okay? Thank you.